Who doesn't require more than one source of income these days? Just by clicking this button and copying this link, you can get paid $300 right away. There's no need to sell anything, and no special skills are required. You aren't even required to have thousands or millions of followers. This is completely efficient and free of charge. You're not required to invest or withdraw any funds. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account and make your first $100 shortly after watching it. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. To begin, the website that I'll be showing you today is called digistore24.com. But before you go there, keep watching because you don't want to miss anything. The truth is that once you've signed up for a free account, you'll be able to access their marketplace and find various offers and products that you can promote with just one click. When you click on Promote, you can simply copy your affiliate links and then share them all over the internet or through your social media accounts. When people click on your link and buy products from the website, you'll earn a high commission rate, and there's no need to wait because you'll be paid on time and you can do this over and over again. I'll show you how to sign up, and remember that registration is completely free. You won't have to pay a penny. Now, when you go to the website, you'll be asked to fill out a lot of information, but don't worry, it's not as difficult as you might think. The method that I'll show you is undeniably unique. It requires no experience or skills, and you can earn up to $500. Now, log into your Digistore24 account and click on the marketplace link at the top of the page. This will take you to a page where you can find hundreds of different products that you can promote with a high commission rating, such as this Medicore, where you can earn 85% of commission and on average make around $137. You can also get more information about this product, and you can continue by displaying hundreds if not thousands of products on this website. You can promote whatever you want, and commissions are quite high. Now, I'll show you the first bonus tip that will help you maximize your earnings. Make sure to stay watching this video as I go over the first bonus tip. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, I want you to click on this marketplace button and then click on this down arrow. And as you can see, it is sorted by sales rank by default. Now, I want you to change it to sorted by earnings or sale. And all you have to do is click on that, and you'll see that Digistore24 will automatically filter all the results and show you products with high commissions that you can promote. For example, this product African Lean Belly will pay you 85% commissions, and the average earnings are $101.19. So if you make double or triple sales in a day, you could be making at least $300. This is exactly what I wanted to show you in this video. Okay, now go to the Digistore24 homepage and click on this blue button right here that says register to sign up for free, and that will take you to this page. As you can see now on the first section, sign up, make sure to choose this category because you're an affiliate and because we're here to make commissions online. So right here, you can just put any store name you want and they'll automatically help you to generate your unique affiliate links. After that, you can use your links to promote any products on this website, and you could be making commissions in an instant. As we progress, all you have to do is enter your email address, create a password, and select your time zone. Now, don't worry, they're all available from anywhere in the world, so after you've chosen your country and time zone, you simply have to fill out your personal information and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you've finished setting up your account, click the Promote Now button, and you should be able to automatically generate your promo link, which you can see here. Now, people can click on this link, and if they make a purchase, you can easily earn a 50% commission or more depending on the product that you're promoting. Now, I'll show you how to promote it for free by going to reddit.com, which is a website where people discuss a variety of topics and post questions, videos, and photos of anything. All you have to do now is go to the search bar and type specific keywords, so you can easily find your targeted people to promote your affiliate link for a product like Medicore. You can promote this product by typing the keyword weight loss or something related to it into the search box and clicking the search button, which will take you to this page and show you all the search results. From there, you can scroll down and look for different posts that people are looking for, such as what's an unconventional weight loss hack that actually works, or what's a weight loss technique that has worked for you. Now, what you'll do is offer them free value and give them lists and tips on how to effectively lose weight. You'll give them free tips or answers as it will help you get a lot of traffic, and here's how we'll get our commissions and money. This is the technique where you'll plug a link, and what we'll do is copy and paste your affiliate links in this column and do it over and over again. Now, after I show them every weight loss tip, I'll show them the link at the end, and people will undoubtedly click on it, and if they make a purchase, you'll be able to make another $100. Imagine if you get a lot of sales in a day. You can also repeat and do this strategy as many times as you want to promote as many products as you want. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.